Hello. Fit check. Hard. Definitely went to La Mama Tang, but I basically get a freaking spicy dry pot. It's dry hot pot. And my order is spam, bok choy, broccoli, lotus flower, pork, sausage, fish. Mouth's watering. You get 2 orders and 2 rices, but I'm gonna devour it on my lonesome. This one has a little more meat, so I'll show you. Yes, ma'am. Definitely, if you're a cheese, if you like, the perfect thing would be cheese with spice. Got me mi story, and we're gonna just dig in. I go to a little cafe to get it. Not a cafe, it's a food court in a mall. And when I tell you I am obsessed, I'm obsessed. They can do no wrong in my eyes. Except if you have like an allergy, they're not that, like cross-contamination I could see happen. Like lady was like picking up my sausages and it fell into like a beef or something. So like obviously if you know, you should be aware of stuff like that. Fuck yeah. That's fucking good. You go, you get all this meats. I never finish all of it. I'm not going to, but it's just so freaking good. When I first got this, I could not order spicy. Like I tried one time, I got medium spicy and I was dying for days. Now I got spicy, I might get extra spicy next time because this is not hot anymore to me at all. But, whoops, let me not jinx myself. That was pork I just ate, spam, and then sausage. This is mushroom, I think, and bok choy. Broccoli. I didn't know I was like so obsessed with lotus root, but lotus is so good and it's crunchy. You can get potatoes, but the way they make and prepare their potatoes, it comes out pretty soft and not like this has crunch. Like no, the way they prepare their potatoes is very, very soft. I don't know why. I have eaten this with a fork. Just because so much food, the rice, you know. And it's like pretty healthy because it's just a bunch of meat, some salt, so digestion kills on this side for it. Excuse me, sausage. Go into my mouth. Go on my chopstick. The fish, probably the pork too, but the fish is so good. So fucking good. crab stick. Now, crazy thing is, I'm allergic to shellfish. And they cook the Spam, like the way they prepare it, the Spam be sitting right next to shrimp. But, one, I would still order it. Because you can get other stuff and it doesn't have to touch the other meat. But I could just imagine the pot that they use in the back probably has hella like shrimp, juices and whatever shellfish stuff. You know? Also, like, I don't know, I used to be really allergic to shrimp when I was younger. But as of recent, like last year, I was having African food. And I actually bought their fried rice. I'm thinking it was jollof rice. And there was shrimp in it and I was eating it. And there was another instance, I had bought fried rice from the Chinese store and didn't have a reaction. I did have a reaction. And then I actually bought an Alfredo pasta with shrimp. And that one I didn't have a reaction. And the shrimp was pretty large. So I should go get checked to see if I'm still allergic. But like, it's hit or miss with my allergy. So, you know, views for my boobs. Views for my boobs. I like it like this. Whoopsie. Beverage break. I always thought that like when they put them in servings, it's pretty even, but I noticed this one has a lot more different stuff than this one has. Like this one has more vegetables and more beef. This one has more sausage, you know, and Spam and lettuce. That spice is so good. And I'm not really a fan of hot pot, like Korean barbecues, especially mainstream Korean barbecue or hot pot. I just feel like with this, the spice or the juices or whatever sauce or is more concentrated into it, you know, than like the soup is just the meat and then like a flavoring of the juice. But with this, you get like, you know, like look at the rice, and it's so concentrated, the juice. Yeah, like I'm also like when I eat my ramen, I eat it dry. Like I don't have like I don't like soupy ramen. I also like when I have pasta, I don't like a saucy pasta, more of a like a drier pasta, like enough sauce that I can taste it, but it doesn't need to be like runny. That's kind of just my preference though. If I could finish all this food, that means I was starving. My first meal, it's like it's 4 p.m. Definitely past 4 p.m. And I've been up since 8, but I was working, so and this place is pretty official too. Like, you go in and it's a cafe full of just Asian food, no American food. And even if it's like chicken or burgers, it's from like the background is like an Asian place, not like normal you know, mainstream American restaurant or fast food place. And, you know, they have a saying like, oh, if the chicken spot is run down or the Chinese store is run down, that's how you know the food's going to be good. That's the energy it gives. Like, if you wouldn't necessarily like call it like a nice place to eat as far as like the way it looks, but like when you freaking know, and this place never misses ever. And it's funny because it's so simple if you think about the ingredients. It's just meat. Like, you just pick out the meat, all of it. The sauce, I don't know where they get the base from. I would eat someone's feet lick someone's feet. I would eat it. I'd eat a foot, cooked, raw, munch, to know where the freak they get that sauce from. Because there's a supermarket above the cafe, and I know they have to like be purchasing the meat and the sauce from that store, but where is it? And where can I find it? Or is it a mixture? Do they make it themselves, you know? Because I need it. I want to drink it. One of my biggest mistakes was when I was getting this, I put aside soy sauce thinking I was needed. Like, oh yeah, it's Asian food. Like, I need soy sauce because not a lot of people don't eat soy sauce with sushi, you know? They think it's so Americanized or things of that nature. But me, I fuck up any meal with soy sauce. I don't care. Judge me if you want. Soy sauce is my girl. But with this is like salty, it's spicy. It's perfect. You don't need anything added. It's like the sauce is so perfect. I'm eating all of this. Let me have some of this one. And some broccoli. Some more veggies. Come on, Spam. And I'm scratching a lot because my square has a tag on the inside of it. It's driving me crazy. Irritating my life. When I first went there, I was so nervous to order. Because they have all these meats. They have like chicken gizzards, tongue and stuff. So I'm just like pointing at stuff. No, first I was pointing, I was like, what's that? Thinking like, oh, it's like, you know, beef or something. She'd be like, oh, that's tonsil. I'm like, oh. So I just told her like chicken. But now I know when I go, like, I don't know what everything is that they have out. But like, I know where my stuff is, and I know like what I like in my order, you know. Especially they weigh out the food, so if it starts to get really heavy too, you know. This is one order in 2 trays. Yeah. But I like the meats. I can be incorrect, but this just seems really healthy. White rice is a carb, but there's a lot of cultures who eat rice and live off rice and live pretty healthy lives, like Hispanic cultures or Spanish cultures and Asian cultures, and it's normal. So yeah, pretty healthy rice, meat and veggies. You know, nothing is fried in a sauce. Since it has veggies, I would be a person to just eat the meat and veggies. But it's like, the rice is a buffer. I don't know, because it does start to get really spicy. Woof. Okay. Yeah, that was a spicy cough. I'm in a hotel right now, and I went to go to the gym and the pool, but I was like, okay, I go to the gym and the pool, and I haven't eaten today, I'm gonna pass out. And freaking, I can't go to the pool and the gym now after this, because like, I'll barf everywhere. Sorry, not the most savory topic over a meal or word. Yeah, by the time I get through one bowl, I'm like, okay, I'm full. I'm a heavy eater. Like, I can eat big portions, but I can't eat the biggest portions, you know? And like, I'm the type of person that I'll eat once a day as well. It's usually around that time of the month where I'll have like 3 meals, snacks, you know, and eat like that. Or if I'm at my mom's house, because like my mom, she goes off always on her meals. I enjoy them a lot. Love me, mommy. I'm shaking and spicy. Like just perfect amount of spice. My mistake was once showing one of these bad boys, or these, rookie mistake. I was suffering. Especially like I first started eating this. I was deceased. I was suffering so bad. Excuse me. It's raining outside, and I went to get this, and I didn't bring a jacket, and the only thing keeping me going was the thought of this. Oh. So I do a little more, but I'm full. Let's see, what do we have left? Made a pretty huge dent. If you ask me, I mean, who else? I'm talking to myself here, basically. Which I can do pretty easily. By myself a lot. You know, what I'm gonna start doing also is that at the bottom of the container, that's spicy. At the bottom of the container, there's sauce. I'm start saving the sauce, so I have like a huge amount, so I can cook with. But isn't that cross contamination? Because it has all this food and stuff in it. I don't care. I will still cook with it. It's so freaking good. Scusami. The spot is in Flushing. So I'm in a hotel because of work. It's easy for me to like wake up in the morning and travel with my coworkers. Instead of me going home because I live here. So it's so hot, I'm blowing the food. But yeah, I'm at a hotel. I could have went home and still been in the area to get this. No. Free gym here that I'm not going to use, and free pool here that I'm not going to use either. I was buying this juice downstairs, and the guy goes, "You want to put it in your room? My company pays for the room." And I'd be like, "Yeah, sure." And he called me. He was like, "Oh no, you have to pay out." Close. So close. Man, that mushroom was good. Dick. Come on, Rice, get in my mouth. So I think when I go there, I never eat before because there's so much food. But it's quite uncomfortable to get that full in the cafeteria and then have to wobble home. I mean, I'm taking a cab. I don't drive. So like taking the bus sucks and I'm so full. It's worth it, but so it's nice that it's the first time that I've taken the food back with me instead of like eating some of it at the cafeteria, which I had a feeling like that's what I would prefer to do because I'm so close. I walk there. I wouldn't walk there if I was home because of just too far, and so yeah, I'm happy that I brought it back here. It's the first time I'm eating it here. But I'm excited. I'm usually excited to eat it there just because it's like the containers that they give you when you eat it. I bit a pepper and my mouth is on fire. The containers they give you to eat out of, it's like this wooden bowl. It's so fucking cute. Like I would love to take it home and use it for like decoration. It looks like a planter bowl or open wide vase. That's how much food they give you. It's like a giant planter bowl or something, and they just throw food into it. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is throw the food over here, put it in one container. Oh, my back. I need to work on my posture. My back always freaking kills, like, so bad. Yeah. Ah! No! I'm a disgusting, ravenous beast. Rating on the food out of food that I've had in my life. Oh, it's food spilled. Dang it. I see it now. Of meals that I've had in my life, that's like high quality Michelin location, you know, like the goods, like traveling around the world and eating at places. I'll probably give this a 9. This is a very, very special spot. Like the way that they get down, and everybody, you see them with, like, there's like probably in that place 15 to 20 restaurants in that cafeteria, and they all have really good, don't judge me, they all have really good business, and are quite popular. But this place, there's nothing like it, and everyone knows it. Like, everyone eats there. This looks wild. This is definitely like beef or it's fat of the pork. Oh my god, so spicy, but the sauce is so good. So that's my meal, y'all. It's called Lao Mama Tang. Lao Mi Mama Tang. Something like that. I sound so Hispanic saying it. But yeah, tomorrow, because I had asked my crew, like, you guys want to come eat with me? And they were like, no, you're crazy. Like, whatever, da-da-da-da-da. I was about to put them on. Put these people's on, okay? Like, have them locked in and loaded. But that's all right. Well, if you're watching, thanks for listening to me talk about this food for almost 30 minutes and watching me eat. I enjoyed it. If you like, I'll probably drop more videos. Sorry for, like, if the quality is bad or, you know, just no editing. It's kind of just a bare post, like, very raw. I might do it again. Definitely drop opinions and advice down on what I should eat next, or just on the video itself. And like I said again, and subscribe, and just be awesome, be rock stars, be legends. You guys take care now.